In the office, we created a space to focus. We have a side for her and for him. Also a sofa to relax or having guests staying over because it converts to a bed. And we focus also on biophilic design, so there are a lot of plants and natural elements. We paid attention for acoustics in the space. These are special acoustic screens. We also have this large rug in bamboo fiber, as well as some additional cushions in velvet. We achieved a very calm atmosphere in this room by using the same shade of wall paint color all over all walls. Now we're going into the kids' room. We have an outer space theme to this room, but it's all achieved in only details like accessories, bedding, stickers on a wall, toys. So if the child outgrows the theme, we can easily replace it. We have a large rug to play on the floor and also a true Montessori shelving with trays for different activities. We also have this magnificent gallery wall made by the child himself. This bed is equipped with a trundle on the bottom and some additional drawers for storage. We made all the furniture custom, so the wardrobe, the bed, the shelf, and even fabrics for like upholstery, a poof, even guardrail fabric. So however this space is very colorful and bright, it's still well balanced.